Most of the time, life is boring, incremental. You slog through the same noise, a few wins, a few losses, small bumps, small bruises. Nothing that changes the course of history. Then out of nowhere, bam, a real event. A black swan. An event so far outside what you expected that it feels like a different universe is opening up. It breaks the frame you were living in. It bends reality. And here's the part nobody tells you. All of human progress comes from black swans. Things like the printing press or electricity, the internet, penicillin, quantum mechanics. None of it was planned and none of it is linear. History doesn't crawl forward, it gets blindsided, knocked sideways, and forced to evolve in violent leaps by events nobody could predict. Black swans aren't rare because they're unlikely. They're rare because you don't recognize them until it's too late. You're living in the puddle of calm between storms, but history, real history, is written by the storms. Tail risk is what kills you while you're busy arguing over nonsense. It's not the daily ups and downs, and it's not volatility that looks scary on a chart. Tail risk lives out on the edges, in the corners of possibility that no one wants to look at because it's uncomfortable to admit how fragile you really are. It's the 5% chance that you're going to lose everything, and the 1% chance you don't come back, and the 0.5% chance that you're going to disappear without ever making a sound. Tail risk is the truth behind every collapse you thought was impossible. That's why the smart money sometimes get vaporized faster than the dumb money. It's not bad luck. It's baked into the system. It's into every complex thing humans touch. And ignoring tail risk doesn't make it go away. It just means you're walking into it blindfolded, smiling, portfolio full, thinking that you're smart. And tail risk doesn't care how many spreadsheets you built, and it doesn't care how confident you feel. It only cares that when the storm comes, you either survive or you don't.